Hello, my name is Ian Dickson and I'm the author of a new report for Eston on the Junior Apprenticeship Programme in Wales. Our report reviews a range of vocationally focused full-time learning programmes which some Year 10 and 11 school pupils attend in further education colleges rather than attending school. In autumn 2023, we visited the 5 colleges currently offering these junior apprenticeship programmes. We met with leaders and staff from the colleges, schools and local authorities involved, as well as current and former junior apprenticeship learners. We also have visited junior apprenticeship lessons and the facilities used by these learners. 3 key features of the report are: firstly, it identifies some key factors that underpin the establishment of junior apprenticeship programmes. Secondly, it identifies a range of positive impacts of these programmes. And finally, it sets out a series of 8 recommendations to support the work of the Welsh Government, further education colleges, schools and local authorities in the delivery of learning programmes for 14 to 16-year-olds across Wales. Thank you to everyone who participated in the work leading up to the publication of this report. If you want to find out more about junior apprenticeships in Wales, please take a look at the report, which is available on the Eston website. We hope that you'll find it interesting and useful. Thank you.